Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to another video. Today I'm in beautiful Brussels, the capital of Belgium. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you around Brussels. This city is really nice, very beautiful. The city is known for having very good chocolate, pastries, waffles, and it's just a very nice city. It's also very well located. Paris is just 1 hour away. Amsterdam is also very near, so it's a very central city. So I feel like it's very easy to get here, and if you're planning a trip here, well, I hope this video helps you out. I'm going to try and show you the most popular attractions here, where to eat, and also I'm going to be trying a few chocolate shops, so I will show you the best chocolate shops in the city. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. This square is called La Grande Place, and it's definitely one of the most beautiful places in Brussels. I think it's the most beautiful. The architecture looks incredible. Brussels is a very small city and there is not that much to see, but it has one of the most beautiful squares in Europe actually. This is La Grande Place and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1998. Its construction began in the 11th century and it was completed by the 17th century. If there is something Belgium is famous for, it's chocolate. There are very nice pastry shops and chocolate shops all over Brussels, and it can be challenging to know where to go when you see so many options. So I'm gonna give you my top 6 places where you can find very high quality chocolate. Number 6. Corné. Corné was established in 1932 by the Jean pâtissier Maurice Corné. They have very good chocolate, I like them. However, I had one that was kind of weird. I didn't like the flavor that much. This one apparently has caramel inside. It's salty. I never liked salty caramel things. They are too salty for me. Number 5. Atelier. This chocolate shop was established in 2013 by Frederic Blondel, and this place came up a lot while I was searching for chocolate shops, and it also had very good reviews. Number 4. Delices du Roy. This chocolate shop is located in a place called Galeries Royales Saint-Hubert, which is actually one of the oldest arcades in Europe, and they offer not only chocolate but also many sweet treats. Number 3. Leonidas. This chocolate shop was established in 1913 and is one of the most popular chocolate shops in Belgium. They are not that expensive and they are very good. Number 2. Marie. This chocolate shop was established in 1942 and is also located in the Galeries de Saint-Hubert, and it was probably my favorite chocolate shop because it had a very nice decoration. Number 1. Pierre Marcolini. This chocolatier is probably the most famous chocolatier in Belgium. They have very good chocolate, so if you wanna take some chocolates home, this is the place to go. Okay, so let's see how it tastes like. Wow. Brussels is not only the capital of Belgium, it's also considered the capital of Europe. It's home to the European Parliament, the European Commission, the Council of the EU, and a dozen other organizations. It is also one of the most international cities in the world. This city has over 180 nationalities, and 1 out of 3 people that live here were born outside of Belgium. Okay guys, we are done. I'm sorry, I know this was a short video, but I had very few time to explore Brussels, but it's a very nice city. I recommend it, although there's not that much to see, so if you do come here, just a day trip is more than enough. Did you like the music in this video? If you did, you can get it in Epidemic Sound, which is the best place to get royalty-free music. Use the link in my description box and get a month for free. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.